Hopes and fears, no, not the hopes and fears. Possible future outcome and advice from the universe is the Queen of Rods. This could be you. The advice from the universe is saying to keep your crown, keep going the way you are, your passionate energy. What is coming towards you, the outside environment, but beyond your control, someone wants to come out of taking a break. Maybe you had a separation with somebody in some way, or they weren't contacting you, or you couldn't see them for some reason. Someone wants to come out of taking a break. Your hopes and fears, you will not get wish fulfillment. That's just a fear. Remember that with the Nine of Cups. In the end, you come out of heartbreak with the Three of Swords. So someone wants to come out of taking a break with you, Aries. King of Pentacles could have to do with a earth sign, or it's just maybe this is you're going to take on this energy, even though it's an earth sign energy in reverse. You feel like there's no stability in the situation, and you feel like it's a burden. So 10 of Wands, the World card crossing it, the King of Pentacles in reverse while you're there for Aries. This is subject at hand. Judgment, and you may judge against the situation because of it, because it's not bringing you stability, and you don't want to repeat a cycle. Now, what's crowning you is to release something. Like I said, you don't want to be chained down. So the Devil in reverse while you're there for Aries, as what crowns them, or the goal. Lovers, you don't want to be chained down to a lover's situation possibly, or someone doesn't want to be chained with you. Now the Devil in reverse, the Lovers in the upright, I'm thinking it's you don't want to be chained down. While you're there for Aries is what crowns them. What's going on? Yeah, and you probably got more than just one offer coming your way. More than one person wants you in their lives. Excuse me, more than one person wants to collaborate in a lover situation, but you're like, and maybe, you want to play the field a little for some of you. Or like I said, it could be vice versa. These readings can flip. Now, the foundation, you're coming out of hermit mode. You don't want to be, thinking to yourself or stuck at home or anything like that. So the hermit in reverse while you're there for Aries is the foundation. Why are you there? You're wanting to come out of this hermit mode, but at the same time, it's like you're still kind of reminiscing on a past issue that you're having trouble moving on from, but maybe that's why you want to come out of hermit mode. You don't want to be thinking about these things. Now the hermit in reverse, Six of Swords in reverse while you're there for Aries is the foundation. And you don't want to fight and argue with people, and you don't want to accept fighting and arguing, and you don't want to you don't want to feel defeated also with the Five of Swords in reverse. Now in the past you had the Ten of Pentacles. You had your overall stability in some way. Sometimes it's wealth, sometimes it's just security. Sometimes it's getting something you really wanted that you worked hard for. So the Ten of Pentacles in the upright in the past position for Aries while you're there. Yeah, you were competing, battling with other people to get this too with the Five of Wands. So the Ten of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, both in the upright for Aries while you're there in the past position. And you really thought about what you were going to do before you even went for it. With the Nine of Wands, that's somebody who goes for something, or right before they take on a burden, which you do have a burden here as a subject at hand, to go forward with your overall stability. You were competing with other people. And it looks like you were doing a very good job with it too, or you're going to. For some of you, this hasn't happened yet, but I'm thinking for a few of you it has. If it hasn't, we're all on a different timetable. Just keep on going forward. Keep on doing whatever you're doing to compete and win. Now, in the very near future, you got the Page of Cups. And the Page of Cups can be, like I said, a messenger. It could be a water sign. It could be someone who's kind of young at heart and, their emotions. Maybe they're crushing on you in some way, or you're crushing on them. So Page of Cups in the upright while you're there in the very near future for Pisces. I'm thinking of Pisces. So some of you may be dealing with a Pisces because I'm looking at the water sign. Page of Cups while you're there for Aries. Gotta remember that. Just because Pisces comes to mind doesn't mean it's a Pisces reading. Yeah, someone's wanting to start with you. Ace of Wands. It's a fire type energy. They're wanting a new beginning. They're wanting a passionate beginning, and they're kind of young at heart. You know, it's that young love stage, or I shouldn't say young love. That beginning of love stage. You know, when you're really crushing on somebody. So Page of Cups, Ace of Wands, both in the upright for Aries in the very near future while you're there. Somebody liking on you. And they want to release a burden by, letting you know, and maybe you want to release a burden with them. So you may be dealing with a water sign. Like I said, someone who's really, got their heart open for you. Interesting. Now, possible future outcome advice from the universe. The universe is telling you to go on the way you're doing. Got that crown on your head, you're doing well, or you can do well if you wanted to. So the Queen of Rods in the upright while you're there for Aries as a possible future outcome or advice from the universe. Yeah, even if you're having trouble walking away from a situation or a burden or whatever it is, I'm thinking, now that I think about it, it's just not just to walk away just because when things get tough. Because it's saying, it's advice from the universe. It's saying, Queen of Rods, take your crown, don't walk away just from anything, just because when things get rough. But I don't think you're going to. But who knows, you may, because you don't want to be chained down. Queen of Rods in the upright. Eight of Cups in reverse while you're there for Aries. It's a possible future outcome or advice from the universe. Better slow down a little because I'm going really fast. King of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Or maybe this is something the universe is saying that you have to react quickly and where you want to go in life. That you need to stay strong and vibrant to get where you need to go. And don't worry about burdens in the past. Don't walk away from good opportunities also. Or maybe, don't walk away from a new love situation because someone wants to come out of taking a break. They want to offer you something. And maybe it's the universe saying don't walk away, but I'm not sure just yet. I got to get to the end. Swords. In reverse, coming towards Aries, someone wants to come out of taking a break. This is something beyond your control. You can't control this person or situation. You can control what you do and how you react towards it. So 4 swords in reverse while you're there for Aries as the outside environment. Yeah, someone's having a tower moment and they're going to come towards you. Someone's going to make a move towards you. So 4 swords in reverse, the tower card in the upright. Something that you're not expecting. You're not going to expect this person coming towards you either. Why are you there for Aries? Why are you there? Queen of Wands. Could be another fire sign. I don't know, I don't think so. I think it's you there that you're not going to be expecting this. This someone wanting to come out and taking a break. It can be another fire sign. Or someone comes passionately towards you, but you're not going to be expecting this at all. Now, your hopes and fears, you got the 9 of Cups. You're afraid your wishes won't come true. Your dreams won't come true. You're afraid you won't get wish fulfillment. So 9 of Cups in reverse for Aries while you're there. And the hopes and fears while you're there. Why are you there? Two of Swords. You're thinking about blocking situations. You just want peace in your life with the 2 of Swords in the upright. So 9 of Cups in reverse, 2 of Swords in the upright while you're there for Aries and the hopes and fears. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. You're afraid something will come to a complete halt on you. And you're afraid of it in some way. You're afraid you won't get wish fulfillment. In the very end, you get the 3 of Swords in reverse. You're coming out of feeling heartbroken. Or someone wants to come out of feeling heartbroken with, having a broken heart with you. So 3 of Swords in reverse while you're there for Aries. As the final outcome while you're there. Yeah, they want to come out of a failed situation. They're looking at the failed situation with the Seven of Pentacles, or you are. They're wanting to come out of that, and they're thinking about it. So Three of Swords in reverse, Seven of Pentacles in the upright as the final outcome for Aries. Why are you there? Final outcome. Then we'll do a love reading, a 3-card love reading. And they want to come out of disappointment. Yeah. And there you are, King of Wands. I'm getting a lot of this Wands energy. It could be your energy, like I said, because let's face it, it is you. King of Wands in the upright. You hold your crown. But I'm thinking, and you're passionate, and you're really doing well. But someone wants to come out taking a break. When you're going to hear of a tower moment with them, not within yourself, but it's going to involve you in some way. So they're going to approach you maybe. And maybe that's why that burden is there, but I need 3 cards. It may take off from this reading, this love situation, or I may get a totally different energy. I need 3 cards for a love reading for Aries, because it just tells me if someone's coming towards you, and you're wanting to come out, and you're coming out of a heartbreaking situation. It has to do with a past heartbreak, and someone is thinking about it. Someone's thinking about how something had failed, and they're wanting to come out of disappointment. So I need 3 cards for Aries. Hopefully no one knocks on the door and I cut this off for a second. 3 cards for Aries. 3 cards for Aries. 3 cards. I don't want to have to start this reading again. That's why I'm saying I hope, I don't get interrupted again. Express your love. It says express your love. Go ahead and make a romantic gesture, Aries. Someone, like I said, someone wants to come out taking a break, but it's gonna. You deserve love. You are lovable, and you feel like you got the honeymoon stage again. That new love. Remember, I told you that crush love. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. So it's up to you, Aries. In the bottom, they got romantic feelings. So someone's crushing on you. I don't know what you're gonna do about it. They want to come out of heartbreaking situation. And you're going to hear about a tower moment with them. It looks like someone likes you, but I'm also seeing that where you may not want to feel chained to a situation because you're getting going. You're going for your financial rewards in life, But someone wants to release a burden with you, even though your goal is not to become stuck in a lover situation. And I do feel like some of you got more than one love interest that someone's interested in you. So that for Pisces too. So remember I told you these energies can flip. So some of you may want to look at Pisces reading. If it, it may resonate. But this is your reading, Love is in the air for a lot of the signs where, was it last month? Everything was just, I hated reading last month. It was terrible. But, yeah, everybody's got new love interest coming in. Or someone, wanting to come out of a heartbreaking situation with you. But I think you got more, like I said, more than one person liking on you, crushing on you. So that's your reading, and I'll upload it as soon as I can, Aries. Talk to you later. Bye.